everybody, it's Papa Kenny from Papa Kenny's Workshop. I'm all suited up. We got the sandblaster out. We got the dump body. We're gonna sandblast all this rust and rot and everything else that goes along with it. So I'm gonna clean it up. Trying to get in these corners, give me something to weld to. I'm gonna be patching this and hopefully get a couple of years out of it. But alright, I'm gonna put the camera down. It's gonna be hard for me to film and sandblast with all the dust, and we'll be back with the end result. Hang in there, we'll be right back. We got the dump body all sandblasted. So we're gonna get to work cutting off this rot, patching this truck up. As you can see, what happens is, I don't know if you can see here, but there's supposed to be some drain holes in there from condensation and whatnot, but it gets plugged and then eventually rots from the inside out. But yeah, we're gonna patch her all up, give it a quick paint job, and send her on our way. Got a few holes to take care of, and started out already, as you can see. And what I did was, let me show you. I cut some templates out, like this, that are gonna fit here, and here. Over the saw, I cut my plates already. See those there. And I got the plasma cutter set up now, and I'm gonna cut these pieces here and tack them in, see how they fit. So I'm gonna put you on pause while I cut those, and we'll be right back.